This is a quick and easy pizza sauce using these fake San Marzano whole peeled tomatoes. Now, if you want to do this right, get real San Marzano tomatoes. Let's do it. First, you're going to heat up your pot. That's olive oil in. Once that's heated up, we're going to add in our chopped garlic. This is about 3 cloves of garlic. And of course, my pan isn't hot enough. Once you get that sizzling, you're going to add in some anchovies. I'm using anchovy paste because it's much easier, but you're looking at about 2 anchovy fillet. So about that much. And then you're just going to cook it and incorporate it in. Okay, once that's cooked down and super fragrant, you're now going to add in your whole peeled tomatoes. Okay, once the tomatoes are in, just break them down a little bit and try not to get them splashed in your face. You can also break them up by hand, but this is just as good. Okay, to that you're going to add 1 pinch of salt. Not much. You're going to add a pinch of basil, dried basil. Pinch of oregano. That's good. Pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Pinch of sugar. And because I'm going to use these basil leaves for my pizza later, I'm just going to add the wilted, anything that's wilted or stems, I'm going to add in here. So just like that. Add it in and incorporate. So you're going to let this simmer on low for about 20 minutes, after which you'll remove any of these larger pieces and we'll use a hand blender to blend it down. So I'll see you back in about 20 minutes. So it's been about 20 minutes and this has been simmering. So now we're going to remove our stems. And I'm going to go ahead and hand blend it. So that's the consistency we're looking for, basically just a saucy texture. And I'm going to do a little taste test and see if we need to adjust. It's perfect. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see how we made our pizza dough, check on my previous video. And if you want to see how we make the actual pizza, please watch the next video. Thank you very much.